Hi, pre-K kids. Ever seen a real salmon up close? Well, because we can't go outside and see a real salmon, I have my plastic salmon here with me. I cut it in half. You can buy these on the internet for about $5. And we're going to learn about the parts of the salmon. So here's our plastic salmon. It looks pretty real. It has a nice big tail fin. This top fin is called the dorsal fin. Just like on an orca, every fin on the top is called the dorsal fin. And this guy's called the pelvic fin. Oh no, this one underneath at the bottom is called the pelvic fin. And this is the pectoral fin. You'll notice all fish have scales on them. You can feel them, they're shiny a lot of times, and then some of them have spots. And then remember, fish breathe through gills, and their gills are right here, and it's little slits with lots of surface area where they can breathe in water, and the oxygen that's dissolved in the water goes into their blood vessels in their gills, into their lungs and their heart, and then comes back out. And when they breathe out, the CO2 comes out of the gills. So they're just like humans. They need to breathe oxygen and they breathe out carbon dioxide. You'll notice that these fish have sharp teeth. They like to eat grass and also little animals that they find in the streams. And they have big eyes that don't have an eyelid. They're just big eyes that can move all around, and they can see all around them from side to side, front to back. So if you were in school, what we would do, we would paint this fish different colors, like however you wanted to paint your salmon. Then we would take and make a print out of it. Once it's painted, you can turn it over and make a fish print. I'm not going to do that here, but you could make a fish print and then you could have that to frame and hang on your wall. They were really pretty. This is one of my favorite activities to do at school, is the salmon prints. Some people use real fish. They paint a real fish that's dead and they do a print from it. Or I kind of like the plastic fish that you can order online. They're fun to paint and make pictures for people. So that could be an activity. Another activity that I want you to do so that you can practice your writing again is to draw a picture of a fish. All you have to do is draw part of a circle, another part of a circle, they come together, and draw some fins in. Then you can make a scientific drawing. You can label the dorsal fin, the pelvic fin, the pectoral fin, the gills, and the eye. If you wanted to label the scales, whatever you want to do. But at a minimum, I'd like you to draw a fish. It doesn't have to look exactly like this. Just draw two half circles that come together and put some fins on them. Color it really nice and then put some labels on it. And that's a good scientific diagram for fish. That's all for now.